Hello, I'm Steve DiBiagio, the president of the John Carroll School. I need to share some frank and direct information about COVID-19, the start of the school year, and the safety of our students, your children. The COVID-19 pandemic continues to be a dangerous and virulent health threat. Out of concern for the safety of the entire John Carroll community, we've decided to shift the beginning of the school year to distance learning through October 2nd. 2 weeks ago, I made 4 promises. The first was to protect the health and well-being of our students and our employees. The second was to do everything possible to ensure a safe and soon return to campus. Third, we would not move forward until we were certain we could do so and protect your children from the spread of this virus. I also promised that our decision would be evidence-supported and transparent. That evidence has led us to this decision. I know you are disappointed to hear this. I wish I could report easier news, but the pandemic is still among us, and the efforts at prevention and treatment have not yet caught up. The COVID-19 virus has infected over 5 million Americans, and we've seen a resurgence in the virus this summer. Urgent work is being done to develop vaccines and other treatments, but currently there is no proven medical means to stop the spread of this virus. And over the past month, there's been a 400% increase in the number of cases under the age of 18. But closer to home, we're working with experienced healthcare professionals to determine when the community transmission here is low enough to return to campus safely. And although the local community transmission indicators are trending in the right direction, that trend has not yet proven to be predictable and sustainable. We're using a predictive model developed by the University of Maryland to understand the relationship between the number of cases in the community and the risk of COVID-19 at John Carroll. The model determines the probability that a person, student, or employee would acquire the virus in the community and bring that infection onto campus at any given day. Right now, the data and the risk factors lead us to the conclusion that we can best protect our students by deploying distance learning for the first month of school. Now, it's not an all or nothing decision. During the first month, we plan to bring smaller groups to campus and assess our ability to manage the interactions here on campus. We will continually monitor that data, evaluate the situation, and adjust our plan as the evidence guides us. I understand and appreciate that everyone would prefer on-campus classes. And while we had hoped for that outcome as well, we've been developing and honing our distance learning capabilities and capacities. We've invested in technology and training to deliver the John Carroll College Preparatory Curriculum as expected and as promised. Our faculty have adjusted their preparations, their pedagogy, and presentation to connect personally and impactfully with their students. We will hit the ground running on August 31. In closing, I want to thank you for entrusting John Carroll with the safety and the education of your sons and daughters. I promise you, we will care for your children as if they were our own. Thank you. Have a great day. Make tomorrow better.